Yeah, oh, see Python, the trusty. I say, hey, you have another one of that? Give me another one of that. I say, I left my Rasta man here, hey, cut some paper. Put some paper on the fork. Yeah. Boy, she want, I'm going to get her a gift, you know. Nothing. But if I figure out what to get her, just give her the cash. You see me? Yeah? So, I go pray over the pork, because this is the last pork I go eat. But I have to eat with the brethren, so I go to the Rasta man and make me feel guilty to rat it. I say, Rondie, you must not eat the meat no more. Don't eat nothing that move.
That's what I want to be doing. Rondie?
Yeah.
No, face the fact. That's what I want to be, you know.
Yeah.
That means so much you don't move. Yeah?
You say only tree you eat. No kill nothing.
What one they want to be?
Hey man, some bread too, you know. If I go eat the
The
pork,
bread to it now.
I go eat it good. Good life, you know. Good life I say, you know. Good life I say. We buy some gangster rag today. Right? Good life Jamaica. I have my lighter and something there, so I don't know what it is. Let me smell it. Yes, still fresh. Let me look all split. Fresh. See it there. Hey, guess what I get? I get 2 bulla to carry. Bulla and pork though.
Bulla and pear too.
Yeah, get some bulla.
Ginger bulla.
Yeah. And we have some water.
Then they can next year by the water. This is a big one.
Yeah.
Like that side, huh?
Yeah. And guess what I get some syrup too.
Alright.
So we could pray over the pork. Get some more pear, man. Because it's going to go quick. Yeah, man. Some more pear. Have this spliff. Okay, I'll smoke out there, sir.
Yeah, man.
Alright, Jamaica Good Life. People are foreign. See the pork there. See the drink there. See the pork there. We go for pork here and get the real thing. We're there at Nigger right now. This is the Good Life house. This is our headquarters, season 1. Thank you for watching our live. And make a comment and tell us you love the show. What about the show you like? It's a Python there.
Yeah, feel some good life here, you know.
And we're going to Manchester. Then when we come back, Pokemon take a go.
Drop on over.
Yeah. So we're going to live the life, you know. I'm sure Jamaicans say there's 98% good Jamaicans and 2% bad Jamaicans. The rules of engagement when you're a foreigner, you don't eat alone. Get some good people around you, buy food together, go to our kitchen and cook together. Once you share, you'll be safe. But if you don't sit down in a high-end restaurant and eat by yourself, you will get robbed. Right? Jamaica is a sharing culture. When you come, buy food with the people, live among the people, drive in a whatever car them a drive, help them out. Live among them. Don't go in your high life.
Don't isolate yourself.
Don't isolate yourself.
Yeah.
Meet everybody in the neighborhood. You know, forget them money, everybody money. Just meet them, say hello. I guess if anything wrong, anything go down, somebody always know you.
Yeah, man, that's meet and greet, man. By meet and greet, you can't run.
So explain to them in your language how you've seen people live among you and successful and don't get hurt. Once
you associate yourself with the locals, that's the best way to go. You understand? You come to Jamaica, you rap with people, talk with people, meet people, go out with people. That's the best way to go. If you isolate yourself from people, then people will isolate themselves from you and you will get robbed in the long run. Okay? Just meet and greet people and be good, and that's it. That's the key thing for Jamaica. Yeah, man.
Simple.
Rondie, what do you want?
Give me 2 slices now.
I'll go for the
I go put butter for it too.
No, man, go on.
No, put butter.
So,
no, I'm not the fat. I'm going to get the fat. Dear Jesus, this is a message. Close your eyes, you never see where I do this.
By now, are you alone or stop eat walking? Stop eat walking up, remember that?
Hey, we need a big fat. We don't deal with the little fat thing, you know. I mean, the little fat, you know, it's kind of, when we did pour, we could never have a spoon. Yes. Let's see how we live with this bread. Hey Vanessa, I love you. You know, say I watch that video, yeah. Violetta to Angela, all of my people them. Also promote good Jamaica. Jamaica Good Life. Python of the beer. Hey, Python. Film me out open it. Alright, the man them say put it right there so. Put this and make it stiff. Right? Fly. Alright. Them no
This
say
is a good old restaurant, sorry. See? Jamaica restaurant, yes, sorry. Yeah.
so them no sell them in America.
We never reach up there.
It just start come out?
Yeah, on the market, I good one, you know. Yeah, man.
It's nice, you know.
And have it in a lemon too.
It tastes like in Trinidad they have something named you have another one named Shandy.
Bull shandy.
Yeah, Shandy with ginger.
Yeah, man, that the other thing, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
It tastes good, you know. Tastes very
What's it there? But I'm pure.
It's good, you know. How much for one of these?
I think it's around $200.
About $2.
Yeah, that's in the supermarket though. If
Once.
you go to the hotel, it costs a lot more.
Yeah, like $5 US.
Yeah. That's the local price. Around $2 or $2.50.
All right, Jamaicans.
Give me onion, man. You know it onion.
All right, see. I'm just gonna take, you see that part of the pork here, look a fat part here, so. And pray to the, forgive me for what I'm about to do. I love my onion too much. See, all right, give thanks and blessing. Rasta, don't watch that part of the video.
That's that part everything up here, yes, sir?
The new room does the Romans do. I couldn't hang out with Python there and pork all night, much pork. And bread. Take that on it.
Man, if they want to have one from morning. But the boy, where there? Me and your pork and bread. Me and Rondie. We and your pork and bread. We and your pork and bread. Mr. Me and them and your pork and bread. Yeah. Yeah. And they want to make soup when it's done. You start feeding you to cook today so you can forward. Soup, Rondie cook soup. Talk to me,
I cook sip, we cook sip.
Sip.
I cook sip.
Soup. So come pick you up. Come pick you up. Alright, cool. Alright.
That's it, Nick. So she have the liver night too.
Yeah, man.
No people are the liver too. Real Jamaica.
See now, oi. You make it up in a red drum, you know. You make it up in a red drum. I get the real drip pork in there, and I support them, you know.
Where's the hammer? For a red ground guy.
Throw that down. That up on fire.
Should I put this on fire?
But be the pot, be do it in a pot, then it's different. You never even know.
Okay. So everything I want is step above. Jamaica where I shine out, we're going to eat. What's up there, Jamaica Good Life? We got some strut for the car. Python live over there. and I'm gonna roll out. Next time when I come down in season 2, we will spray the car. You see me? I go smoking at the car. Babylon can't say nothing, right?
Babylon saw some more, so you don't want to go split.
Just see the jet plane, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna roll out. When you're in Jamaica, you make sure so you put down the window in the jet plane. As this we are going Manchester, and I know. So we are going Manchester, and when we come back, focus on one go Hanover, and we are going to live it for season 1. So hopefully you continue tuning in and watch season 2. Request season 2, send a donation so we can buy gas.
Move up and down.
Move up and down, you see me? But I show you the real life, so the Rasta man, that's man. Yeah. People in Jamaica good, man. Life nice in Jamaica, you know. All you have to do is just flex easy and stop going, you know, don't try to be better than nobody. Rule number 1 in Jamaica. Everything no problem, you call to everybody, right? Even if they're not called to you, right? Still call to them. Look on banana the palm tree right there, so. Right at the roadside. Go to eat food. You know, you have almond the palm tree. Whitehall Estates, early childhood institution for the little baby there. So Whitehall over there in the grill. Everybody has smoked them herb, no Babylon now play with them.
No, police don't molest everyone still for them. First time you have a problem, but they will lock you up. No.
Around the herb there. But I know me I smoke it enough. For those who are corporate seeing me doing this, it's not me. It is this guy. Python no smoke herb. Only Soji and me and Pokey roll some big fat spliff. We're gonna pick up Nick right now. And then we're gonna buy the wheel. Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica Good Life.
Really, you have a machine to get the real money? Or you have enough just to get the
Well, we're gonna get the machine, go to the machine. We'll pick up Nick first.
Yeah, man, I'm for Nick first.
We'll go to the machine and calculate it out. What you say? We need
20-something thousand.
Alright.
24, kind of 25,000.
Alright, cool.
So now return.
So you think same have everything?
Oh.
Him same have everything.
Money, wheel, where you find is the fork and the wheel and the tube, you know.
Yeah.
And that's on the pull. When I just start this one, so the reference for everything is like that.
Welcome to the reality series, Jamaica Good Life. Pay a bike at the Negro. People sit on sideways on bike and thing. You know? Roll up. How this? How that lady here? How it? How that? Every time I see me, remind him enough.
We take this for a long time, you know. I look along with the fork and push up the car before I roll.
You know, so he must sell it. He must sell it for the way down.
Yeah, man.
I said himself. Oh, so with the nice feel and the capsules are reflected.
Yeah, of course.
So, yeah, man.
He's got the man.
Dirty boy.
Hold on, level. Something.
This is Travelers Beach Resort. Wicked.
That's a soldier work.
Dirty boy, what going on with you?
Straight up, straight up.
What do you have in the bag?
My Xbox 360.
Where is it?
Yeah, man, my friend care for fine. I'm telling you now,
I saw them
how you live with people, you know.
How come?
Eh?
How come?
One young youth with the girlfriend and the girlfriend father.
That's what I know.
What, 25?
That's what I know.
Yeah, man. Sit there. Xbox 360.
Where's some boy? Dirty thief.
Any amount of CD.
Eh?
In memory with any amount of game on it.
Where you said to me?
Just to put on my TV. Hello.
Then you know wish for a
said
game,
hello.
man. Look for your dirty picnic, you know. A picnic, a boy, man, a boy.
You have to live good. You see, most time, you know, things that go on here, just want a little game to keep yourself cool.
You need a girl, man. You need a damn game, man.
You need everything that in a life.
You happy as a post now?
Yeah, man.
As a post.
As a post.
As a post.
Like when Python get in them.
A two joystick.
Yeah, that's how we are selling it. I want to like a boy.
You know, say happy.
I want to like a Nick. I want to like a Nick. I want to boy.
A two joystick you get?
One.
Them give no game in there?
You mean joystick?
Yeah.
You mean... No, man, I get them here.
What that's racing car?
Yeah, man, we have Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah.
And we get Modern Warfare.
Yeah.
Football, team, Call of Duty.
Well, boy, I live big life, you know.
Yeah, man, I get them with a CD.
See what Nickel live here, so you see how good life. Jamaica, why we keep saying good life, Jamaica? At Jamaica good life. Turn around anywhere you want, take it still.
Same thing you mean.
Same thing you mean.
Daddy, we don't want this here. You see this?
Yeah.
We don't want one adapter to push pan here or something.
What, it can't...
Like, it can't enough for me wall.
How far...
Let's see.
How far it come from? Let me see it.
Once we pushing a wall, something and then that pushing a wall.
Alright, me have it for you, man.
You have one else?
Yeah, bring it to the house with you. Bring everything.
Bring everything?
We'll make it work at the house.
But I mean, never if you can't come up here then. I come here, I can't go and lift you up here.
Left it up here? Man, put it in the back of the car, man.
Alright.
Because we want to play some game. I say, okay, I see the smile on your face.
Woman.
No, me. No, you want... I have the white plug, you know.
Alright.
But we want to test it. Them plug there, you know, international plug, you know. Where him come from? Germany?
Yeah.
That's why it stays so.
So you know about that
A good thing you ask, you know. Good ask and you shall be given. But not ask too much. You have no water. You see?
Alright, so you got the machine.
So we're going to go get money.
You got the machine.
You see how me work the thing, Nick?
Pokey put part-time money for us to read them, boy.
Nick, me no work. Me done it now.
How much you get? 25 US
25 US.
plus Jamaican.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nick, I saw me do business.
25 US plus tons Jamaican towards that with you.
I saw me do business now, Nick.
I'm good more. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Side one your line
No,
up
me
now.
call her yesterday, no. And I tell her, you know, say, yo, what's out of the fear and you know.
Nick, I saw you do business, you know. You must learn something. You see how me negotiate with the peer them and everything.
Father. Every time, you know.
You know, you must.
Every time.
You must. Anytime somebody wants something, make them come up with something too.
Yeah.
Cause it will mean more to her.
No, for sure.
Like a woman that, yo.
Yeah, but for sure, she knows how something good enough.
You me don't talk
And
to
she
her
had to pay
already.
for now.
And tell her, say, yo, you start out the fear and thing. I don't know what to say, woman really come and give you something.
And me,
You see,
I want to say to her.
you man can't.
Right, yo, Nick. Randy, go on there, Randy, sorry, you want. Me put 50%, I put 50%. She said no problem.
Yeah.
Until she said that, no, Randy, sorry. Me put 3/4, I put quarter.
Nice.
I just go in that person, I have to go 25 years with a $1,000 Randy, right away.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So now get them now.
Yeah, man. I go to the bank, get the money.
Machine and then get them.
Yeah. That's a life to live, man. But I like this when people take initiative.
Yeah, man.
Santa Claus business no work. Santa Claus white or black.
Thank you.
Hey, I love Pokey, man. I love Pokey. Hey, we go over there, see?
Have a vibe still.
Hey, Pokey, love we.
Have a vibe.
You know, when she see him turn mad, you know. Him turn mad when him see me. Hopefully next time we get a minibus, you see me? And we can really do the thing. That's a season 2.
Everybody can go in now.
Look, I buy one shell for this.
A shell? What kind of shell?
Like the outer part.
What you need it for?
To make it look better.
you're into cosmetics, you're a woman? Play the game, man. You have a whole. Hey, you have to watch enough chef video on YouTube, you know. Now, waste your life and play a game, you know. Up your game, my lad. I talk about chef business. Cause let me tell them I have a bridge in work on the ship, you know. Jamaican, you know. And me have some friend X, Y, and Z, you know. So when you say you're executive chef, them want to know. So you can cook this, that, and this, and this, and that, and that. So you need to really, every day, make sure you up your game, take a picture, you know what I say?
Yo, get that on the phone.
Father! Oh, Nick, right.
Yeah, man, I love seeing you laugh nowhere off yet.
Jamaica Good Life. Yeah, but
I'm on about pure finance, man, you know. But they say, so something good. It's a waste, man. I say, so something good, my yard. I don't think I joke that next thing.
What are you doing, man?
I rush concert, probably I can't find them, I rush them in the yard. I can't stop them, I can't front them.
Why them big man they have to drive them, show off and drive them Benz? You know, everybody them look car, where them are going, so.
We wait smoke him.
Tell Simon there, man. Tell Simon there.
No man, I'm mad fucking mad and every time they see me mad. I'm laughing, you know him.
You can't cook with that on one circumstance. You can't
That
cook with
bird
that
is
on
a
one
snake, you know.
circumstance.
It's a snake that, you know.
You never know.
A snake,
I know,
you
you can't cook with one circumstance. But me, oi, remember saying no? Oi, Nick.
That's serious, man.
If it is a one bad land for you, you fat. Set up with the
snake.
A snake.
That, you know. You know, I'm up to, you know.
Just use that push up. Now we have to, alright, drive, press up with that. Press up with that.
What the fuck?
No man, use the next one. Look at that, look at that. Go on now. Alright, that good.
Jamaica Good Life. That's how we live at Jamaica. You remember when the car went up, push up. Snake, see him there. Snake, look on him.
Before I run that, man. Don't come out there shopping now. Don't come out there shopping now, yo. No, you don't want, yo, go in there shop, yo. How would everybody do, man? How would they keep in there? I think I keep here this time. Yo, man, it's alright. Okay. Alright, got look some. I was saying 20 inch spark, right? 16 inch spark.
4.
4 of them.
But the price is everything
Rim.
already, you know.
Rim. Fit up.
That means you want 4 wheels too.
Wheel and tube.
4 wheels.
Yeah.
But I still have to put the band.
I can't talk about it now.
No, sir. 22,000.
10 more time. Anyhow, me hear about my name, I got dead.
How much did 20? No, we're going to price. Maybe your price.
A rim cost too, you know.
20 we take.
20 and the rim are going to cost too.
Nick.
So the 20. So the 20 regular. And it regular. It cheap, kind of cheaper in our way, cause
in the long run. In the long run.
good. All right. And another same fork.
25. Come there, make sure you have this.
All right. Price out a whole set. 1. And see where it comes
Give me
from.
price of one. Look for your move.
I'm going to see how it looks.
Everything.
Yeah.
And the same part they show with them, man.
What you say?
And the same part then they show with them, man.
Yeah.
I see a 20 pound with them, man.
No, man. 60 when it looks.
No, sir. I bet you.
I was station this.
Yes, sir.
Is what? Twins and twins?
That's some fancy there, listen.
Before you mind your picture them. That me I tell you. If that's the man,
You can't pass that, you know. Yeah. I want you to fit up enough. Which one make cheaper? Which one cheaper?
Front hub, man. Front hub is just neutral. We don't need no back hub. No brake. It's a jerk kart, you know.
There no me G.
There no man.
Wagwan.
You know, see a mosquito try me. More give some words though.
Don't know it.
You look more like Chinese, you know. Teeth, when you look, the other youth never they look like you. You look like Nigerian, you know. Nigerian, them teeth, you know. Cause, you know. Cause the Nigerian look the way you have and them really use a calculator and a tool right, you know, my lad. Oh, your son? A family thing.
On the compound like 9 months. Yeah, man.
Alright, after that now, at stage 3, you know, at the bar, watch everything, you know. So if you go video, man, send a text. You see me?
Yeah, man.
You just go through. So if you go
Show me everything.
can't tell you apart.
You know that song there? Nick? Yeah.
Hard it!
So you know, give him the gospel yet?
Straight ahead, I'll go to back here, sir. Back here, sir.
No, man.
Straight
I
ahead.
like straight ahead, man. This tie up business. Unnecessary.
That's what you know me, you know. Nobody know me, you know.
Him know
But
it.
yeah, me not, you saw that, you want now. I need to look when you see one fly through. But if me tell them mad driver now, me not tap.
But now, you know.
The what that type of family? No, tell me what that type of family. Can you tell me?
Yeah.
Let's set one.
Yeah, I see how it's set up. I just eat breakfast, you know. One look at place, yeah. I don't remember. I mean breakfast somewhere. The coconut man, that. I just some buy my coconut, you know.
Just by the butter coconut.
Yeah. Coconut, the last coconut is mine with ice, because I had to cook today.
You put nice soap.
No, I have
two
two coconut, I go great China. I don't want to help you now.
I don't help you.
I don't like no people that quarrel and argue, you know.
You play a game.
I don't like fussy people, you know.
You play a game.
Fussy people, I say.
Take the bill for it,
So them do too much work.
Take the bill for it,
I do that, yeah.
No, man, if you win, I'm not come up, I can't remember it, man.
Good life. Jamaica Good Life, sir. People greater coconut and look out the road, not even look for a coconut automatically.
You put a boil up.
Don't open my pot, my lad. that should not have looked for and caught that when I read that quote. And the mastic.
If I really realize that I'll pick on you.
Hey, check if the video look for me. Yeah, check if the video look for me. Yeah,
Me man and I rolling man and I rolling. But they realize the whole of your fingernails. Roll on like they don't go back to your fingernails. They don't roll the same way.
I get fingernail soap, man.
They call it finger soap. I'm not in your finger soap.
In Jamaica. Only the cow and the goat. We're making soup with coconut water. Carlo. You know when it gets small, you eat a little piece.
Yeah.
Oh.
So they said, you know?
My coconut now look kind of dry. Rondie here with this sip. This is this sip. This is okra, peas, pumpkin, Irish mash, yam, banana, coconut, and callaloo, and a bit of pepper, a bit of salt because they don't eat that. Dirty people that might drink it because, you know, we'll put out tonight. And what else? Yam and Irish mash. Put it on. You know, the peas going last because now separate pot. So this is it. This is called the sip, yeah? No it. No scallion cut up in it. And onion. And onion. See that? Sip, Jamaican style. This is the sip, and not a lot of salt in here because it's high time. It's all health, all about health right now. You don't put no pepper in it. It has to have a balance. You didn't want it peppery hot? But, and salty, right? But it's nice. You're not supposed to have so much salt. This is high time. It's a Rasta food this. I'm gonna put salt tonight, you know. Yeah, but not too much. Boy, that's so nice. Boy. You like all the liquid?
Marvin, and his son. So they want fishermen. So we say, they want fishermen and they want catch one. They want catch fish. So they have already know when you need that fish.
I don't find the Mobile side, you know. Montego Bay. But we're up in Tampa, Florida, you know. They're on the road right, you know, same, you know, work vibes, you know, I got already. But yeah, man, I love the show, man. And Nick, you know, and Nick, my name same way, you know. I love the show, man. You know, my wife sit down and watch it. up like last night. Well, you know, I'm like the movement star, you know, it's just nice finally to see somebody where we're not in the thing and bash the country. It's like every flag where you see, them a put up the negative. The negative, the negative, the negative. I mean, negative things happen everywhere, you know what I mean? So, John, I respect you for that. Respect you for that, man. Yeah, man, I tell you. But yeah, man, like me say, Nick, you know, we can, you know, go and keep the contact. And when I do season 2, I just try to book a ticket and come in. That's what I say. I'm going to go up on the site, man, when I find some time, because I'm up on the road every day, you know. On the weekend, I go up on the site and just grab 2 shirts, them, one for me and one for wife, because you know we have to support the thing, because there's something not free, you know. But yeah, man, go and do your thing, man. Respect my brother.
Alright, so now where y'all call from now?
Bronx. I call from the Bronx.
Bronx, New York, so you just find out about the channel?
Well, a couple weeks ago, my mother said I watch you. A couple weeks ago.
What's your favorite show?
Which one?
Yeah.
Everybody, me like Porky. I just like her vibes. Me like Porky, me like everybody.
So did you start from episode 1?
Yes, I started from 1 to all the way up. My mom is here, Tina. You want to say hi?
Yeah, mom, I love say hello to your mother.
Good night, Rondie.
Blessings,
Keep up the good work.
blessed mama. Thank you so much. Keep watching, sharing, you see. But I try to promote good life, because you see what I try to do to Jamaica. We can't make it happen.
Yeah, that's like a... Yeah, because we didn't even say we don't come down there, but they think the way I said, we say we not better go.
No. You see, that's why you want to do. I want you to take the plane to Montego Bay. Use your credit card, $25, take a Jutta bus, go to Travelers and you'll be safe. That's it. Travelers Beach Resort. You see, you don't have to take no taxi, you don't have to meet nobody. Take a liquor bag. Nobody don't have to bring your bag when you're at the airport. $25. Credit card. Then take a bus, go straight to Travelers. Whisper we shoot Good Life. Right there, so. Yeah, man. So just go there. So don't think so Jamaica, no, it's not that bad. Trust me when I tell you.
I heard people then come and go and man after this and that and they might get robbed, you know?
No, man, it's not that bad. Trust me, it's not that bad, because security there at every hotel. You see, and when you walk around the day, people go about them business. You know, and when people stay out late, and when people hang out with certain people, and especially when you come from America, you know, go with people where you know, you can't go Jamaica, go just meet people, you know. And a lot of people do that. You can't do that.
No, we don't do no, man. I'm not that type of person, no, sir.
Yeah. So
because we are watching video now and we see, you know, it just blending
yes.
and everybody. So we say, you know what, like, damn, it must have some good vibes.
Yeah, man. A vibes around Jamaica, and if you just move with the people, and don't tell me say you're not go Jamaica, man. You see, this is the thing where I fight, you know, because trust me, I went down there for a month. I hang around with these people. And just keep helping out people and keep moving and put food in them fridge. And you see, once you put food in the fridge and put on your handbag somewhere else, you're good.
Would I really like to meet pork, you know? Make it well, but I really like to meet her.
They know it.
Tasty pork.
Me,
like it, I love to eat.
oh, yeah. Let me tell you something.
Yeah, but I'm going beside pork.
I'm going to send you a porky number, man. That's why I send you go Travelers, because when you reach, so boom, you have everybody there. So they're on the show.
And how much people stay there for one day at Travelers?
Well, it's like you can get a little bungalow for $45 a night or $80 a night. You see, I just call them and work it out. I get a bungalow the last time for $45 a night. Cause you don't really stay much in the room. It's more, you have a fun in the room and then you just go out more, you know. And the place is kind of very secure. You just always take a taxi and you're good. You know what I'm saying? So.